In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 7 and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout. Begin by opening Play Store and installing free app called iOS Launcher 16 from Launcher Studio developer. When it's ready, open it and hit Get Started. Then select I agree to terms and conditions. Hit Continue. Select Continue one more time and tap on While using and allow in all available pop-ups. When you finished, close and add and manage all of those options however you want to. When you finished, hit Set as Default at the top and click on iOS Launcher to apply it. As you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by going back to Launcher app, clicking Set as Default, and tapping on your default launcher instead. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!